Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In a previous class we have learnt about the alternate methods of squaring numbers. What are the first one is column method, second one diagonal method, third one is squaring number in end is 5. End 5. Okay. The first one is recap. Okay. First one is column method. What is the formula? A square 2 into A into B and B squared. Is it? Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. So it's a column method. Apply the values and get the find the result. Okay. For example, 21. Okay. So here we have considered the A value was 2 and B value was 1. So A square 2 into A value was 2 into B is value was 1 and B squared value was 1 square. So 1 square is 1. So multiply of this value was 4 and 2 square is 4. The answer is, this is a column method. Is it? This is a column method. And next one, diagonal method. Is it? Diagonal method, 8 square. Okay. So how do you write? So single digit is given. Okay. So you will write 15 square. Okay, ma. So 15, 15. Okay. Right. Draw the diagonals. Now multiple. 1 5s are 5. You need place only there. 1 1s are 1. 5 5s are 24. 5 1s are 5. Okay. So add the values. 5. Here 7 plus 5 12. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 2 stay here, 1 move to here. Okay. So already here 1. Here 1 plus 1 2. So unit place is 2. So 15 square is equal to 225. Okay. This is the diagonal method. And third one is squaring number end in 5. So for example 25. So end with 5. End with 5. How do you use this method? First leave the first 5. Okay. We know that 5 squared is 25. Now consider the tens place value. Write in the successor. Okay. What is the successor of 2? 3. Okay. So multiply these values. Multiply this value by the successor of this value. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Already you know that 5 square is 25. So 25 square value is 625. 625. I hope you have understood the previous concept. Today we are going to learn the exercise 3.1 remaining problems. Already we had complete the 1 to 6. Today we are going to start from 7th problem. Okay. Seventh one. Find the digit at the ones place in the squares of the following numbers. So one number is given. Find the digit at the ones place. Ones place la in the square of the following. And the number square பண்ணும்போது அந்த ones place la என்ன number வரும் அப்படிங்கறது தான் question. Okay அம்மா. So find digit at the ones place in the squares of the following. The first one 43. So ones digit square. So 3 square is it? So 3 square is 9. So the number is the square of the ones digit is 9. Okay, and B 1411. So ones digit is 1. 1 square you get the 1. And C 346. The ones digit value is 6. So 6 square 36. 36 in ones place is 6. Ones place is 6. Okay. 192. 192. Ones place is 2. The square of 2 is 4. So ones digit in the square value is 4. And then E 2844. So unit place is 4. The square of the 4 is 16. So ones digit is 6. F 6920. The ones place is 0. So square of the value also 0. F G 29. So ones place is 9. So 9 square is equal to 81. So ones value of the square is ones place is 1. Okay, height 1057. So ones place is 7. The square of the 7 square is equal to 49. That is the ones place of the square value is 9. Okay. So remaining problems are homework. I, J, K, L are homework. Express the following as indicated. Okay. The first 8th problem. Express the following in indicated. Okay, as indicated. First one, the question. Okay, 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. 7 odd numbers. So how do you write? Already you know that, is it? Sum of odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus. So how many numbers? 7 odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Add these are all, we get the value of 49. Okay. So 4, 9, 16, 25. Here 25 plus 24 is 49. Okay. So that is the answer. And next one, B, easiest one. Okay, 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So 11 odd numbers, what are the 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Okay, 11 odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We get the value of 121. Okay, we get the value of 121. 8th C problem is homework. 9th problem. Write the following as the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Okay. See. Write sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Okay, the first one, 9 square. What is the value of 9 square? 81. It can write in the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. What are their consecutive means nexted numbers. Okay, so 40 plus 41 we get the 81. The sum of consecutive numbers are 40 plus 41. And then B, 15 square. So 15 square is 225. It can written as 112 plus 113. We get the 225. And C, 21 squared, is it? So 21 square value is 441. 441. It can written as 220 plus 221. The sum of two consecutive numbers we get the square value. Okay, and then D, 23 square. What is the value? 529. It can written as 264 plus 265. Add this two value, we get the square value of 23 square. So remaining three problems are homework, E, F, G. Okay, now see the 10th problem. How many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers? What is that? We have learned the formula. Is it? Properties we have learned. Okay, so what is that? How many numbers lies between the square of two consecutive numbers? Square of the two consecutive numbers. See this in the first problem. A is equal 4 square and 5 square. 4 and 5 are the consecutive numbers. The square of two consecutive numbers. Okay. So how many numbers lies between these two square of these numbers? Okay. So how do you find out? You can use the formula 2n. The formula is 2n. So here n value is 4. N plus 1 value was 5. Okay. So n value was 4. 2 into 4, 8. So how many numbers between these two square values? 8 numbers. How many numbers? 8 numbers. Thus 8 numbers lies between 4 square and 5 square. Okay. And B1, 7 square and 8 square. Here n value is 7. So formula is 2n is equal to 2 into n value is 7, 14. Thus 14 numbers lies between 7 square and 8 square. Okay. So remaining two problems are homework. 11th one, express the following either in the terms of multiple of 3 or multiple of 4. This is another one of the property. Okay. 11th one. Solution. Express in the multiple of 3 or r. Okay, or okay, multiple of 3 or multiple of 4, any one. Okay ma. So first one, a 6 square. Okay, 6 square, what is the value? 36. How can you write in the multiple of 3? 12 times of 3, is it? Multiple of 3. And then multiple of 4 is 9 fours are. 9 fours are. Okay. Multiple of 4. Okay. B problem. 19 square. So 19 square value is 361. Is divisible by 3? No. It's also not. 361 is not divisible by 3 and 361 is not divisible by 4. Okay, we get the fraction value. Okay, so cannot be expressed. Cannot be expressed. Okay, so the value of this one is and next to see one 11 square. 11 square value is 121. 121 is not divisible by 3. At the same time 121 is not divisible by 4. So 121 divisible by 3, what we get? 71 by 3 we get it, and here 31 by 4 we get it. Okay, so it's not possible, so cannot be expressed. And D1, (21 square). 21 square can be written as 441. 441. Is this divisible by 3? 441 divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12, remaining 2. 3 7s are 21. So 147. So yes. Okay, either multiple of 3 or multiple of 4. Here only one possible multiple of 3 is, what is that? 147 into 3. Okay, so remaining problems are homework. Now see the 12th problem. Find the square of the following numbers using the column method. Using the column method. (28). First problem is 28. Column method. Draw the column. Column 1, column 2. You will fully write. Okay. Column 3. What is that? A squared. The formula is 2 into A into B and B squared. Okay. Solution. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8. B is equal to 8. So A value is 2, 2 square, 2 into A value is 2, B value is 8, B square value is 8 square. So 8 square value is 64. Here underline the unit place. So 6 move to this column 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 4 8s are 32. Already here 6 added with here. Okay, so 8 38. 8 stay here, 3 move to here. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Therefore 28 square is equal to, write the unit places, 784. 784. 4. Underline the unit places are right orderly. Okay, from the column 1 to column 3. Okay, so remaining problems are homework. Next 13th problem. Find the square of the following numbers using the diagonal method. Using the diagonal method. The number is C problem 3219. Okay, so draw the 4x4 square box. Okay, okay, diagonal method. Okay, write the numbers 3219, 3219. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and next 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and multiple of 1, 9, 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Next 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Now add in this place 1, so 1. Now add, these are all 9 plus 8 plus 9, 20, 18 plus 8, 26. So write 6 here. So to carry forward to here. So 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 17. Already here 2. So 19. So write 9 here. Okay. 1 more to here. So 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7. 10. 10 plus here 1 carry forward to here. Okay, so 11. Write here 1's place and 10's place move to the next one of the diagonal. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 14. Here 1 carry forward, so 15. So write in this place 5. 1 carry forward to here. Here 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. So write it's 3. Once more to the next one of the diagonal. So here 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 0. 1 more to here. 1. Thus the answer is, okay, right. So answer is 3219 the whole square is equal to 1035191. Okay, 961. 10 10 10 Okay, right. So answer is 10351,961. The square value of the 3219. Okay, and next one of that 14th problem. Remaining problems are homework. Okay, and 14th one, using the shortcut finding the squares of the following. Squares of the following. 20, sorry. 21. Okay, so here 6, 2 carry forward here, so 66. Answer is 6. Right. 14th one, shortcut method. Shortcut method. Okay, so write the successor. Okay, the what is that first one? 14th B problem. First problem is homework 125. Okay, the square value of this one. Okay, so how do you find out? First leave the 5s. First leave the 5. So we have considered the 12. What is the successor of 12? Successor of 12 is 13. Okay, you will write like that. Okay, of 12 is 13. Now multiple of 13, 12, 13s are 12 13s are what we get 156, and then now square the value. 5 square is 25. Thus 125 the whole squared is equal to 15625. First write the successor multiple of the successor values and write the 5's value. Okay, and then C 55 is given. Okay, as usual leave the 1's place. Now consider the 5. So solution, successor of 5 is 6. Now multiple of 5 into 6 is 30. So 5 square is equal to 25. Thus 55 square is equal to 3025. That's all. I will write the homework on that side. Homework 7th I J K L. Eighth one, C problem. 9th E F G. 10th C D. 11th E F. 12th B C D. 13th A B D. 14 A and D. These are the homework. Okay, so I hope everyone you understood the today concept. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask your doubts to me. Okay, thank you students.